Vivo has just launched the Vivo X200, X200 Pro Min, and X200 Pro in China. All three phones are powered by the Dimensity 9400 chipset. The lineup is also including an Ultra model, which may break cover in the first half of 2025. The Vivo X200 Ultra feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM. A recent leak by Tipster Digital Chat Station revealed that the X200 Ultra will be arrived with a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera, and a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. A 50-megapixel selfie camera. It features a 6.78-inch 2K resolution E7 LTPO AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate. It packs a massive 6,000 mAh battery capacity. It also supports 100W wired fast charging, 50W wireless fast charging. It is likely that the X200 Ultra could be priced at around 5,500 yuan in China. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.